Have you ever wondered if you're the type of older man that younger women can't help but be impressed by? Today, I'm going to break down the traits and behaviors that make these men so irresistible. The more of these traits that you can relate to personally, the higher the chances are that you're one of them. So follow along and pay attention closely. And don't miss out on our bonus tip at the end of the video. It's a pivotal piece of advice for truly embodying the qualities that make an older man attractive, enhancing your presence and charm. Stay tuned for that. 1. Experience and confidence. Older men carry a suitcase of rich life experiences, and it's not just for show. These experiences shape their confidence and contribute massively to their appeal. Think about it. With every challenge they've faced, decision they've made, and adventure they've embarked upon, they've built a robust sense of self-assurance. This confidence isn't loud or brash. It's the quiet, knowing smile when plans go awry, the calm steadiness in a crisis, and the patient silence that speaks volumes. How do they express this confidence? Through actions, mainly. An older man might handle a sudden change of plans with ease, turning a potentially stressful situation into an impromptu adventure. When making decisions, they often bring a depth of perspective only gained through years of living. It's not just about making choices, it's about making informed, considered ones. Then there's dealing with life's challenges. Instead of frantic worries, there's a composed troubleshooting that comes into play. They've seen problems come and go, and they understand that most things aren't the end of the world. This doesn't mean they're devoid of emotion, but rather that they manage it with a finesse that can only come with years of practice. The confidence of older men is like a well-aged wine. It's only gotten better with time. It's this assurance, tempered with life's myriad experiences, that adds a significant layer to their appeal. It's not just about being confident, it's about knowing why they're confident. 2. Maturity and emotional stability. The maturity of older men often leads to more emotionally stable relationships and interactions. This maturity doesn't happen overnight. It's forged through years of experiences, understanding oneself, and learning from past relationships. This deep-seated maturity results in a calm, stable presence that many find incredibly attractive. Older men have typically navigated through the stormy seas of life's ups and downs. As a result, they have a better grasp of their emotions and how to handle the emotions of others. This doesn't mean they're emotionless, far from it. It means they understand the value of processing feelings thoughtfully and not letting every little thing lead to upheaval. What's particularly appealing about this maturity is the absence of drama. These men have been there, done that, and are no longer interested in playing games or stirring the pot for entertainment's sake. They prefer peace, understanding, and constructive communication in their relationships. This preference for calm over chaos makes interactions with them reassuring and deeply grounding. In a world where everyone seems to be looking for the next big thing, the emotional stability of an older man stands out like a beacon of light. They offer a harbor of sanity in a sea of constant overreaction. This stability, this peace, isn't just attractive. It's a breath of fresh air. It's about finding tranquility in a partner, and there's a profound beauty in that tranquility that many find irresistible. 3. Financial stability and security. One of the standout traits of older men is their established careers and financial security. Over the years, older men have had the time to navigate their careers, make investments, learn from financial mistakes, and build a secure foundation. This financial grounding does more than just pay the bills. It creates a space for peace of mind. In relationships, this sense of security is incredibly appealing. It means being with someone who's not panicking over every financial hiccup or scrambling at the end of each month. This stability allows for a relationship to focus on growth and depth, rather than being overshadowed by financial stress. Moreover, financial stability is often linked with the ability to make mature and thoughtful decisions about money. It's not about splurging on the most expensive items, but making smart, calculated choices that ensure a comfortable and secure future. This kind of responsibility is a significant draw, especially in a world where financial anxiety is all too common. An older man's financial security isn't just a safety net, it's a launch pad. It allows for experiences and opportunities that might not otherwise be possible, whether it's traveling, exploring new hobbies, or just enjoying the finer things in life. This financial freedom adds an attractive layer to the relationship, enriching both lives in the process. It's not just about the money. It's about what the money allows life to be, fuller, deeper, and more enjoyable. I hope you're finding this video insightful so far. If you are, could you take a moment to show some support? Hitting the like button, dropping a comment, or subscribing to the channel really goes a long way. Thanks for being an essential part of this journey. 4. Physical appearance and distinguished look. The physical signs of aging in men, such as gray hair and mature features, often contribute significantly to their appeal, giving them a distinguished look that's both respected and admired. Unlike the often fleeting standards of youthful beauty, the hallmarks of age can bestow a man with an air of authority, wisdom, and respectability that many find captivating. Gray hair, for example, is not just a sign of aging. It's a badge of life's experiences, a symbol of having weathered storms, celebrated triumphs, and learned from countless lessons. It speaks to a life lived fully and is often associated with wisdom and respect. Similarly, the lines and features that develop on a man's face over time tell a story of laughter, concern, joy, and challenge, adding depth and character to his appearance. This distinguished look is not just about the physical aspects. It's about how an older man carries himself. It's in the confident, relaxed posture, the measured movements, and the calm, assured gaze. These are qualities that can't be bought or faked. They come with time and experience. Moreover, this mature appearance often pairs with a sense of style that is timeless rather than trendy, further enhancing the older man's appeal. There's an attractiveness to someone who knows who they are, is comfortable in their skin, and dresses to reflect that self-assurance and depth of character. It's a complete package that offers a compelling, attractive presence, one that draws respect and admiration in equal measure. 5. Wisdom and knowledge. The appeal of wisdom and knowledge that older men bring to the table is undeniable. They possess a treasure trove of insights, shaped by years of varied experiences and challenges. This isn't just book learning, it's life learning, the kind that provides nuanced perspectives and deep understanding that can only come with time. When an older man shares his wisdom, it's not just a lecture, it's a gift. It's the kind of knowledge that can help others navigate their paths more effectively, offering shortcuts through life's mazes and insights into its puzzles. Their stories are not just tales from the past, they are lessons, filled with rich details and practical advice. What's particularly attractive about this wisdom is how it can transform the lives of others. Engaging with an older man who shares his knowledge freely can be like having a personal mentor, providing guidance and advice that is both practical and profound. The opportunity to learn from someone who has already walked the path can be invaluable, offering a clearer perspective on one's own journey. Moreover, this wisdom often comes with a level of humility and openness. Older men, having seen so much, understand that there are always new things to learn and new perspectives to consider. This openness to new ideas and experiences adds another layer to their appeal, making their wisdom not just informative but also inclusive and evolving. 6. Charisma and treatment of others. The charisma of older men often stems from a combination of confidence, experience, and a genuine understanding of others. This natural charisma can be particularly attractive, especially when coupled with respectful and considerate treatment of those around them, particularly women. An older man with charisma doesn't just draw attention, he commands respect through his actions, words, and demeanor. What sets these men apart is not just their ability to engage and captivate an audience, but also their approach to interpersonal relationships. They often exhibit a thoughtful, courteous manner that makes people feel valued and respected. This respectful treatment extends beyond mere politeness. It's about making others feel seen and heard, which is both rare and appealing. In interactions, especially with women, this charisma translates to a blend of gentle manners, attentive listening, and meaningful communication. They know how to make someone feel special without being overbearing or patronizing. It's this balance between charm and respect that enhances their appeal. Moreover, the appeal of older men and how they treat others is reflected in their understanding of boundaries, personal space, and the importance of consent. Their approach is often more about genuine connection than superficial charm. This depth of character, combined with charismatic appeal, makes their company enjoyable and their respect for others clear. The charisma of older men, combined with their respectful treatment of others, doesn't just make them attractive, it makes them memorable and deeply respected figures in any social setting. This unique combination is what often leads to admiration and a strong positive impact on those around them. Bonus tip: healthy lifestyle and fitness. Age, as they say, is just a number, and maintaining vitality and energy through regular exercise, a balanced diet, and attention to mental health can make that number incredibly deceptive. This commitment shows that attractiveness indeed transcends age, and that taking care of oneself never goes out of style. Engaging in regular physical activity isn't just about staying in shape, it's about signaling a zest for life and a willingness to invest in oneself. Whether it's daily walks, yoga, swimming, or gym workouts, staying active contributes to an overall demeanor of energy and can make an older man stand out as someone who values life and lives it fully. A balanced diet complements this physical activity, fueling the body with the nutrients it needs to stay vibrant and healthy. But it's not just about what's eaten, it's about the message it sends. Here is someone who respects his body enough to care for it inside and out. Lastly, mental health is just as crucial. Regularly engaging in activities that reduce stress, promote mental clarity, and foster emotional well-being demonstrates a mature approach to life's challenges. It shows that an older man is not just physically fit, but also mentally robust, ready to face whatever life throws his way with a calm and positive outlook. Together, these elements of a healthy lifestyle not only enhance an older man's physical attractiveness, but also highlight his commitment to living his best life, making him all the more appealing. Now that you know what traits turn heads, what's next for you? Discover what younger women consider to be red flags in men, or learn what she thinks is hot. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.